Hi, my name is Jessica Grant, and today I will be going over Map Analytics. Map Analytics is our customizable data visualization tool. It helps you spot opportunities in the market with map-based visualizations of leasing trends. Today, as an example, we can use the New York City market. So let's narrow our filter here. Type in New York and apply market changes. You'll then see this Map Analytics button pop up on the bottom left. Click on that and you'll see market rent, lease expiration, space type, as well as tenant industry. Let's click on market rent. This will break down the market into its respective submarkets and map out which submarkets have higher rents than others. You will see the respective rent buckets labeled in the scale in the bottom left-hand corner here. This is a great visual, especially if you are a visual learner. Now, let's click on lease expiration. This is a live tool. You can click play on the upcoming leases that are expiring. Reminder as well is to zoom in on the map so that you can see these leases up close and how they're expiring. Next, let's click on space type. These are showing colors of office, industrial, and retail. These indicate the prevalent lease types by square feet for a property. Lastly, tenant industry. This tenant industry button has a radius that indicates the total square feet of the prevalent industry type of a property. You will see the top 10 industries represented below along with the colors that match such industries. And you may click in and dig in on leases. Thank you so much for taking the time to go over Map Analytics today with me. Bye.